Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into CoinSmart, a popular crypto exchange that's been making waves in the digital finance world. Is it really as good as people say? Let's find out. CoinSmart is a Canadian-based crypto exchange that aims to make buying, selling, and trading crypto as easy as possible. With a user-friendly platform, CoinSmart offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. So what sets CoinSmart apart? First off, the interface is intuitive and caters to both beginners and experienced traders. You can buy crypto instantly using multiple payment options like bank transfer and credit cards. Plus, CoinSmart offers advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds, ensuring your investments are safe. Now, let's talk fees. CoinSmart has a straightforward fee structure, which is a big plus. They charge a small fee for buying and selling, but what's nice is that their fees are competitive when compared to other platforms in the market. There are also no hidden fees, which adds transparency. To wrap things up, let's highlight the pros and cons. The pros are easy to use interface, a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, great security, and responsive customer support. On the flip side, the platform could benefit from more advanced trading tools for professional and it's primarily tailored to Canadian users. Though it's expanding internationally, if you're looking for a user-friendly secure exchange to get started with crypto, CoinSmart is definitely worth considering. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.